Take a 5-liter plastic bottle. Use a marker pen, outline to cut on it. Use a sheet cutter. Cut the marked area with the help of the cutter. We have made 3 windows in it. Window number 1, 2, 3. These windows looks great. Let's color it now. We painted it. Let us now decorate the border of its windows with blue color. Along with the border of the windows, we have decorated the rest of the area with bricks-like structure. How beautiful! Now let's make draining holes in its bottom. Use solder iron. We have made many holes in its bottom. Looks, we have prepared very light potting mix. We fill this potting mix in the pot. Tomato plant. Planting the small tomato plant in the pot. Watering the plant. Now we keep this pot in a semi-shade place. After some days, our tomato plant has grown a bit in a few days.